Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Khwaja in Brothers World, and guys, happy spring season to all of my YouTube family. And guys, we are doing an interesting thing on this video, so stay with us. We have collection of only 3 trees, and those 3 names are almond, peach and apricot. So guys, the first one to grow is almond tree, and the second is the apricot, and the third one is the peach one. So guys, I need you to comment in the comment box. And guys, the question is, why do almond trees grow so quickly than other trees?
और गैस हमें अपने गार्डन का ख्याल रखना चाहिए.
After a long time, we have been seeing a shiny day. You can see the sun there. The sun is shining brightly. I am helping my dad by planting this tree. These are the roots. This is the stem. The leaves are going to grow sooner, and then we will have some fruits. These are the parts of the plants. कर दिया और रख लो उधर पानी. So guys, now I am watering the plants all over here.
गैस मैंने ये चॉपर इसीलिए रखा है क्योंकि अगर मैं इसको काटता तो ये सारी ज़मीन खराब हो जाती और पौधे सारे खराब हो जाते. पानी का प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा है.
We need it, and also plants need food like water and sunlight. These ones, guys, these ones are my favorite plants. You can see what she is making. She is first making and then destroying everything. No, stop it. Stop this. Okay, she doesn't want to stop. We already made this garden like recently, and guys, we have been watering the plants. We planted the tree, and as well we showed you our trees like this one and the other one, and we introduced our collection of trees. So guys, hope you like our video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.